Good morning. I just picked up this new e.l.f. and it's more of a neutral eyeshadow palette. I love all the different colors in it, and let's just give it a try. So I think today I'm going to start with something in here just to go over my eye area. So maybe I'll start with this one here and just start brushing it over my eyelid. I'm just going to do the one eye first so you can get an idea. I love the depth of the different colors too. And then I'm going to pick somewhere in here, I think, for deepening in my eye crease here. So I'm going to actually mix these two together. And I'm going to go in here like this. Again, it was this one and this one. If I was going out for evening, I'd probably go into the deeper colors. Make sure you can see it, but that's actually a very nice blend of the two. I did blend the two because this one has a little bit of sparkle and this one's a bit flatter. So together, I like the look. So just gonna make sure I blend it. But you can see that is the one eye, and that's some nice coloring. So now I'll go ahead and do the other eye. This light one here, you could use as highlighter too. That could look really nice, like in the corners or up here to peek up your eyebrows. I'll mix these two together again. And I think just make sure you blend. But it looks nice. Yeah, I'm very happy. So that's the first try of this new palette by e.l.f. And like I said, we'll keep trying it. We'll try these in the evening sometime, and we'll try these maybe, I don't know, another daytime look. But this is a great little palette, lots of colors.